purpose with that you're not the Rican son, no?
Of course.
I mean, are you sure your father gonna accept you?
Don't call me Sukarno if I can control the dust.
What are you doing here? Go away, you nothing. Don't you dare approach me.
Why? What did I do wrong, sir?
You are different for us. Hey, you, come here. Papa, hey, Papa.
I can go myself. We are the master of our own land. Do Dutchmen, they are Dutch hitchhiker. They are our guests. Why should we bow down? Go be slave to foreigner. What for? We must be outright. Stand up against them, against the Dutch.
Our land is very rich, but why are we always starving? Everywhere you look 17 and sickly. This is because the Dutch suck our rich without sharing its value with us. We were oppressed by the colonial system. Did you let it?
No!
Did you let it?
No!
It is time to show you out. Believe me, imperialist behavior. We will sue you for your treatment on our land.
That not the common military that we commit a different as you accuse with a start by the captain by bombs. Our fact of struggle is nothing but public meeting hall and our paper, not weapon, and your God. It's just to fight for justice of our brother. People who have always been oppressed. People who only earn $60 a year. We are white people and $90,000 a year. If you say this is a billion, we say no with answer. We are to claim humanity and right, and gentlemen and honorable judge, we are not guilty but give the idea of this struggle. And I always with suffering rather than our freedom.
Sukarno was sentenced to 4 years in prison, but by the parliament in Belgrade, the sentence against Sukarno was considered legally weak. 2 years later, Sukarno was released and re-entered politics by joining Perindo, until he was arrested again and exiled to end with his wife Inggit Garnasi.
Malaria can just go away. You have to rest a lot. I think about big jobs.
Like what?
Politics. Job whose now will get even worse because of wife and politics people. Right, boss?
Read this.
They can do anything. I don't want attention.
Because accuse you of dominating me.
They accuse you to be gentle with me. I don't like you being content.
In some ways, I'm happy to be dominated by you indeed.
Why we should be independent?
Why, sir? Isn't it that with the Dutch we are already independent? We can eat, we can work, we can go to school like this. So, why do we have to be independent?
Does anyone agree?
I don't agree with that statement. Because if we're not independent, we will be constantly governed by the fortunes. Hey Tati, are you alone to eat at the Dutch house or even eat with the Dutch, even though their ingredients buy from our land?
What's your name?
But what is that?
Hasan Lindau.
Fatma's father worked in the Dutch company and was fired just because he was a member of Muhammadiyah. That's why we have to be independent. Understand?
Fatma, right? It's Fatma, right? You're really too much. Don't touch me.
Listen to my explanation first.
Explanation for what? God, explanation for what? You're really selfish with your behavior.
Bung Karno was single, no problem Fatma. But this,
But I love him, Dad.
Fatma, how does missing it feel? Do you want to be the second?
So how Mom and Dad want me?
we want you to be happy.
But I'm happy with Bung Karno.
Where will you go?
Bagi Anda dan besar.
Let me drop you.
You don't have to.
Please allow me to do something for you in the last time. How are you? I'm fine.
Bung, you should to be inside.
Inside there are already doctor. Everyone can handle it.
Oh, come on, let's go.
I'm afraid of blood.
But Fatma hit you.
No,
Bung.
no,
Come
no.
here, come here.
Alhamdulillah. What's the name, Bung?
Guntur. Guntur Soekarno Putra. Well, man, how are you? Are you healthy?
Healthy. I almost went home because of the one who are welcoming all these people.
This is my wife, Fatma, and this is my son, Guntur.
Finally, Bung Karno accepted.
This is my friend, Gatot from Bantiu, and he likes for he often beat me wrestling.
Hahaha. Are your life skills wrong?
There.
I'll introduce. This is Wikana, friend in arms.
I am the one who got a friend in Jakarta.
You know, condition no are much different from before. Nippon gave the native the choice to the control system the Dutch never did.
Yes, this means you are elected as collaborator, selling your own nation to Japan.
Are you accusing me of that too?
I know you always have a good reason for all your decisions.
I always get into trouble from young people who always pay attention to me. I do this all for the sake of our independence.
Young blood man, you were just like them, cynical of the old.
You see, they will give independence to youth, something the Dutch never did.
You look very happy now.
I can lie to myself. I need to chill. What about your army?
Usual birth, conversation, beta. independence of the homeland, the embryo of the Indonesian National Army.
Yes, good. But you know the consequences yourself.
We will be rebel Nippon henchmen.
In 1942, Japan handed over control of the island of Java to Sukarno and Hatta as a reward for helping Tenoheka. Sukarno took advantage of this as a step towards Indonesia independence.
Sorry for the wait. General Harda unit, but I was told to give this to you personally. A letter from Kyoto as a token of appreciation for helping Tenoheka. You are allowed to raise your national flag and sing your national anthem.
This is for all of Indonesia Island?
No, only Javanese island.
Before Taiwan officially grants independence to Indonesia, you should think about the front of the country. I suggest the front of your country is a kingdom. With the front of the kingdom, it will be easier to cooperate with people.
Who will be the king?
You will be the king, and Hatta-san, you will be prime minister.
Can I talk to Hatta first?
I don't agree with the monarchy will avoid the spirit of nationalism, which I have been building since Penny and Bakindo.
Yes, that's right, Boom. In my opinion, Indonesia is stable relation so that each island has the autonomy to manage its own government.
No, Boom, I don't agree. There is no unity in our nation.
Indonesian nation, Boom, as you know, consists many culture, language, custom, religion. The geographical islands are different. Flora is different from Aceh, as well from Makassar. Different from Java, so on what basis we can unite them with one nation?
On the basis that we have the same fate as a colonist nation, Gajah Mada has tried to unite the entire archipelago through the Palapa.
That's not enough reason, Boom. In the future, it will cause inequality and trigger conflict between regions.
We can determine that here. There must be a body that can discuss it all.
I agree.
For 3 days, many of us have made speeches, but no one has been able to answer the chairman's question, Dr. Rajiman. What is the basis of our country? Here, please allow to answer the question of the chairman. What is the basis of our country? There are 5 principles.
The first one, a sense of nationalism that can unite us as a nation. This country consists of islands, tribes, culture, and language. Only a sense of nationalism can unite it all. A sense of nationalism that is not wrong, that is not only concerned with its own tribalism. I'm nationalist, but my nationalism is humanitarianism. The Northland was embrace a nationalist that isolates itself.
but nationalists that perform war brotherhood that will be the principle of point 2. Humanitarianism. Point 3 is conscious based on consolation and representation. Every dispute that is generated by every ethnic and cultural friction or religion is resolved in consolation. Point 4. So that we can erase poverty from our homeland and there are no more rich people alone. The poor suffer without being harmed, for we must prioritize social welfare for all the people of Indonesia. Point 5 is a refinement of the previous 4 point, namely creating to good. Let us practice a godless Indonesia, the good according to each religion, the Islamic according to the Prophet Muhammad SAW, the Christian according to Isa al-Masih, Buddhist according to the Book of Kitabani. Therefore, let us respect each other. A daily war is 5 number. And on the insertion of a friend of ours who is linguist, namely is Pancasila.
In 1945, the Japanese army turned power to the allies. Sukarno was urged to proclaim Asap Bayong Group.
Good morning, everybody. We are here in the NBC newsroom.
Congrats worldwide. Indonesia has been freed from Japan. Indonesia independent? Yes.
What do you mean by independent? Is it independent for one nation, including Sumatra, Sulawesi, Borneo?
Flores and Guinea too.
Hiroshima and Nagasaki were bombed. Nippon has been defeated. We must refuse independence from them both. We must proclaim it ourselves. Nippon has lost badly. We must impress the whole world that Indonesia is not for Japan. Then proclaim it boom as soon as possible.
I have to talk to Admiral Beda first.
What for?
To make sure of all this.
You must rid yourself of them.
Nippon still strong here.
Nippon is defeated. Defeat!
They can still take up arms after this. That's enough. There's no point in shouting about our egos.
A life that is not defended. There's no need to justify it, boom.
Now, boom, right now. Yes, right, boom, right now.
How long will it make sense?
We have already talked about this carefully, boom. We have already cleared nest. In fact, everything is ready.
What is it?
We are asking Bung Hatta and Bung Karno to quickly proclaim the independence of Indonesia.
That is right, boom, right now.
No,
Why? Are you scared, boom?
we are not afraid, but we don't want to be class.
After being approached by the young generation, Sukarno and Hatta weakened the path to Rengasting Club to immediately proclaim the independence of Indonesia, and was picked up by Ahmad Subarjo.
Get away from me.
Subarjo. How is condition in Jakarta?
Nothing is not reported in Jakarta.
So we have decided for no reason.
The most important thing the radio said the Emperor Hirohito has defended sovereignty to the last Nippon is finished.
Zahir was right. Let's go to Yalta as soon as possible.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have asked you to be present here to witness the most important event in our history. For decades, even hundreds of years, Indonesia has been fighting for the independence of our country. Also in the Nippon era, our efforts to achieve national independence have not stopped. In this Nippon era, how the time has come for us to take the fate of our nation and homeland in our own hands. Only a nation that dares to take its fate in its own hands will stand strong. Brother and Sister Herbie, hear our proclamation.
Proklamasi. Kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Hal-hal yang mengenai pemindahan kekuasaan dan lain-lain diselenggarakan dengan cara saksama dan dalam tempo yang sesingkat-singkatnya. Jakarta, 17 Agustus 1945, atas nama bangsa Indonesia, Soekarno, Hatta.